I would like to welcome the new students and tell them about life at WIE.
Now I want to express my gratitude with Waikato Institute. For me, this place was very special because when I arrive here, I can speak English very well. I know my English is not good now, but it's better than before. And I'm grateful so much. Thanks for the teacher for this institute.
Been a great student to have, very diligent, hardworking, and I wish him all the best.
I just want to say thank you for my teacher and also my classmates who have been teaching me and helping me.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdulaziz. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I am so happy I lived 2 months with you.